Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to react to a post on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the profile icon down below, or to your home page. And if you have found a post that you would like to give a thumbs up button, which is called a like, tap on it. But if you hold your finger on it, you will be able to select other reactions, such as this heart icon, which means love, this care icon, which is a hug, this is a haha icon, wow icon, sad reaction, and angry reaction. So you should swipe to the right or left side of the screen and tap on the relevant one that you want to choose. If you want to undo it, tap on it simply and it will disappear. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.